What is a pulse oximeter? Do I really need one at home? Yes, you need one at home certainly. Pulse oximeter is a tiny fingertip device and can give you valuable information about your health during corona, that is COVID-19 or any respiratory illness. You can place your finger inside this device. Probably it won't be painful and need not worry about that. Once you place your finger, it lights up and shows your blood oxygen level and heart rate. Let's see how it works. When you insert your finger, it beams different wavelengths of light through your finger. Hemoglobin is the protein in your blood which carries oxygen. Do you know what is hemoglobin? In our human body, we have four main components of blood. It includes plasma, red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. Okay. Hemoglobin is a protein in your RBC that is red blood cell that carries oxygen. This hemoglobin absorbs different amounts and wavelengths of light from the device depending on the amount of oxygen it's carrying. Thereby, it shows the oxygen level as a reading on the device. And now, let's see what reading shown in the device is safe. SpO2. It represents the oxygen level and it should be 95 to 99% for a normal healthy human. If it is 92 or below, it represents that the person has something wrong with lung functioning. Heart rate is normal from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Above 120 beats per minute or below 50 beats per minute are to be checked with doctor. And of course, the interesting fact of today's video is athletes with higher cardiovascular fitness will have lower pulse point, even 40 rates per minute. Coming to the point, why is it important during COVID situation is, COVID is a lung disorder. This disease silently causes decrease in oxygen from lungs below 70% and kills. By daily monitoring with this device, we can go for the treatment earlier. When it is 92% itself before getting critical 70%. And the one more thing to be noted is, in asymptomatic cases, there will be death due to drop in oxygen level of 70% without showing any symptom or breathing difficulty. This device is very useful in such situations. With this device, people can be prepared and treated before they enter the dangerous stage of health. They can be cured or treated well in advance. Thank you.